BRS vs Telangana government showdown escalates. Row over CM Revantha's alleged remarks on women MLAs. High drama inside and outside Telangana Assembly. BRS MLAs protest outside CM chamber. KTR carried out of Assembly. Former minister detained by cops. BRS leader K.T. Rama Rao and several party members were detained on 1st August while staging a protest inside the Telangana Assembly. In a video that has gone viral on social media, BRS leader KTR can be seen being carried out of the Telangana Assembly. The protest by BRS leaders was in response to Telangana Chief Minister Revanth Reddy's alleged derogatory comments towards BRS women leaders. Their protest began as the Telangana Assembly session commenced, with BRS legislators wearing black badges, raising slogans, occupying the well of the House, and disrupting discussion. Despite repeated appeals from the Speaker and the Treasury benches, the protesters continued their agitation. Later, MIM floor leader Akbaruddin Owaisi intervened, urging the Speaker to either allow the BRS members to speak or suspend them to restore order. Following this, BRS MLA Harish Rao made a statement supporting the Supreme Court's decision on SC and SEN subclassifications. Subsequently, BRS members staged a dharna outside the Chief Minister's chambers and were later evicted by marshals. The protest is part of a larger confrontation between the BRS and Congress, triggered by CM Revanth Reddy's comments about opposition MLA P. Sabita Indra Reddy's defection from Congress to BRS in 2019. According to reports, the Chief Minister intervened while BRS MLA KTR was speaking in the Assembly on 31st July and asked him not to trust the sisters, referring to Sabita Indra Reddy and Sunita Lakshma Reddy. This led to a huge uproar, with BRS demanding that CM apologize.
Unfortunately, with his remarks yesterday, he has brought great disrespect and disrepute to his party and also to the state and the position that he holds. He has said some very uncharitable things which I do not want to repeat about not just our women legislators, senior leaders, but also about the women in Telangana. So therefore, we had started protesting since yesterday. Our women members have been on their feet for the last 4 hours in the Assembly. Unfortunately, the Speaker does not give the mic to express their views and express their anguish. And simultaneously, the Deputy Chief Minister and Chief Minister do not seem to have the grace to come forward, express regret and take their words back.
Tensions have escalated, with BRS calling for statewide protests in response to the Chief Minister's remarks. On the other hand, Deputy Chief Minister Bhatti Vikramarka also weighed in, criticizing Sabita Reddy for leaving Congress despite her previous tenure as a minister.